iQOO has expanded its audio lineup with the launch of the new iQOO Buds, a wireless audio option tailored for users prioritizing long battery life, low gaming latency, and convenient connectivity features. Built around a 10mm high-resolution moving coil driver, these earbuds deliver a full frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, further enhanced by DeepX sound effects for richer audio profile customization. Under the hood, audio processing is handled by the BS2710IC3 chipset, featuring standard support for AAC and SBC codecs. To ensure voice clarity during calls, the earbuds utilize a dual microphone system equipped with beamforming technology, though active noise cancellation is omitted. Battery endurance stands out as one of the key strengths of this set. Each earbud houses a 51 mAh battery capable of delivering up to 12 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. The accompanying charging case packs a 513 mAh capacity, stretching the total listening time up to an impressive 50 hours. Topping off the earbuds alone takes roughly 60 minutes, while bringing the entire setup, including the case, back to full power requires about 120 minutes. On the connectivity front, the earbuds feature modern Bluetooth support along with dual device connection capabilities. This allows users to remain actively paired with two hardware sources at once and swap audio output between them effortlessly. Gamers will appreciate the dedicated low latency mode, tuned down to 42 milliseconds, ensuring real-time audio synchronization during fast-paced gameplay. Daily navigation is intuitive thanks to customizable touch controls that recognize double tap, triple tap, and press and hold gestures, alongside instant pop-up pairing upon opening the case. Designed with an ergonomic in-ear fit and classic stems, each earbud weighs a lightweight 3.8 grams, bringing the combined carrying weight with the case to 41.3 grams. An IP54 rating provides practical defense against dust ingress and water splashes during outdoor workouts. Additionally, users with compatible iQOO and Vivo smartphones can use the earbuds as a remote camera shutter to capture photos from a distance. The earbuds come styled in a vibrant flame yellow finish and ship with small, medium, and large silicone ear tips in the box.